Hello everyone, my name is Shruti Gurav and I'm a pass out student of Electronics and Telecommunication department. So basically KID has always played a supportive role in students' education and their development. KID has some of the best laboratories and workshops to help turn your engineering ideas into reality. The engineering graduates are offered various roles in different sectors and domains. Even now, despite of the restrictions arising out of the ongoing pandemic, CAD conducted placements through virtual mode, which is a very great thing. It has different technical and non-technical committees which will help to build your personality as well as a perspective. At KIT, teachers actively encourage the students to participate in various sports and cultural activities. As I'm a chess player and I have played a lot of chess tournaments during my 4 years, my department faculty has always nourished my passion for chess and assisted me to adjust my classes and exams according to my tournament schedule. They were supportive and motivated throughout my college journey. Even now, I'm a pass out student, they are in my touch. So, I think CAD is the best option for the students who aspires to learn. So, I'll say be a part of KID and thank